One of the things I try to do to consolidate space is to buy things that are uniform in size, like bowls that nest within each other or glassware that nest within each other, but also with towels, like these dish rags. They are actually, buy a set of 8 for $2.09 before tax, which is really, really great. And they are made by the brand called Room Essentials. That's the tag that looks like, so it's pretty obvious what they are. That's not really dirty. So they also come in other colors besides white. They come in yellow and gray. And so I like using white for indoor stuff, anything indoor. And most of the stuff are pretty low grime, low dirt. Just dusty and wiping up spills or wiping up water. So these are pretty good. They stay white for a while. They don't get really raggedy too fast. But in the case that you have maybe a garage, or you have a patio or a deck, or you have a utility closet and you make things, or you have things that are more dirty and more grimy that might make these white towels look dirty really fast, then you can buy maybe a color coded towel. Like you can buy a yellow or a gray to be used for outdoor use. That way when you see a gray towel, oh yeah, that's meant for the car or for the bicycle or for the patio or for cleaning more dirty stuff. And so it takes the guesswork out of, is this the towel they use for the kitchen, or is this the towel they use for like the motorcycle, whatever. So I like being able to color coordinate things if I can. They're actually fairly absorbent. They're pretty rough. They're not super soft or plush, but which is fine for cleaning. And I use these over and over again, and then when they get dirty, then I just throw them in the laundry basket. I love using these for multiple reasons. I reduce my paper towel usage quite a bit. Whenever you're trying to wipe things up or clean things up, you just grab a paper towel. But then you end up wasting a lot of paper, and that causes a lot of waste. These are great for dusting, by the way. Some people buy like separate dusters or separate dust products. These work just fine. And so you're not having to try to, like, in a small space, have multiple products that do only one thing. I like one thing that does multiple things. And then they also, because they're all the same size, they stack really well and compact, so they save a lot of space. So when I try to store them here, I know that they'll all fit together and they'll nest really nicely, so it's not like one big mess. But one thing about towels is that sometimes when you're using them, you want to dry them out. Then you would do this. You would put them over here, and it's like kind of unsightly. It's a lot of visual noise. You have this beautiful kitchen, but then you have this little dish rag here. So I'd rather just have my towel hidden, but hung up for sure. So what I like to do is have these little hooks. Again, I use the command strips. These are the same kinds, and I hang them in here. So when they are hung here, I can just close my my cabinet, and then they're out of the way. But they're always where I need them. So there you go. Hi, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun shooting this for you guys. I love sharing ideas on how to live a big life in a small space, especially a rental. If you like what you see, subscribe. Oh, I just dropped the mic. Larry just dropped the mic. Ah, oh my God.